So this is the rugged case I got for my iPad. Now, my kids have been playing on tablets, watching tablets, and I got this iPad because I wanted to use it more in the show. I wanted to have it be part of the show where, if I saw something cool, I could pull it up on this and use it faster, or just put it as a second screen that I could throw off to the side and see chat messages and stuff. But that said, I needed something that was durable. These things are hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and kids are notorious for breaking them. So I looked around for the best rated tablet I could find, the tablet case, and this just happened to be it. So this is from Eltop, if I remember right. And I'll show you how it comes together because it's the same way that it comes off. So I'm just taking this apart right now. So this is a very large plastic cover that goes all the way around the outside. It's pretty easy to install. I almost never take it apart. So that's the one piece from it. Let me get this ready. We'll go into all those features. So this plastic comes off and you can actually pop the tablet out of it. So in the case of mine, it's a white one, and hey, it's got the rose gold back. I got a great deal on it. So that's my iPad. So there's my apps, and I actually don't want to carry this thing without a case or a cover around it because it's just dangerous. I don't recommend that to anybody. So when you buy this thing, it's going to come in basically 3 pieces. You're going to have this plastic boot that goes all the way around the plastic shell here. It's not that hard to install, and once you do, you've just had the ultimate level of protection, like super duper rugged. Another thing that I would also recommend if you haven't done it already is to get a screen protector even for your iPads. You can get these. I actually have one. I haven't installed it yet, but you can do that with this. So I'm going to go ahead and push this into the outer. This is how you set this thing up. Super simple. Then you take this. Oh, let me see here. I got to get that piece in. I'm going to do that first. 1 second. Take this rubber and put it all the way around the outside. Now it's going to cover every single port, including your charge ports. So be careful about that. What's funny is it's so thick that I thought that the kids would have trouble using it, but the tactile buttons for volume and everything else work still incredibly well, even through all this drop protection that it's going to have. Okay, just getting that lined up. Again, it locks into the plastic as you go around, so it takes a little bit of time to get that dialed in. And then this is going to clip through. Now be careful that you align the buttons. You want to get your buttons lined up and you get those locked in, and it's going to clip through on the edges. That's what holds the rubber gasketing all around. So make sure that's locked in. Now once you have that, you actually have a handhold on the back of this that I didn't show you. So that's the other cool thing, is if I want to go to a customer site or something and I want to use my iPad and look super cool, I can come up there and I have this handhold that comes with it. Still have access to all the standard iPad features and everything. Another interesting thing is it actually does have a stylus holder right here, which we'll talk about in just a second. And for the kids, if they drop it, I tell you what, maybe you can see this on the side camera. You can literally, I would not recommend doing that with a native bare iPad, but you can bang on this thing all you want, and it's really just the outside that's getting hit, those rubber pieces. So the most rubber protection is on the edges. Now, can you still use all of the standard stuff? Absolutely here. Just making sure I've got this thing all locked in. So all of the buttons still work. If you look at them right there, there's my volume up and down buttons and my power on off buttons. So I have that, and I have all those capabilities still with me. So that is a iPad protection. This one's good for your 9th, 8th, and 7th generation 10.2 inch iPad. So that's pretty much all the latest non-pro, non-air iPads. It's going to work on all of those. So that's pretty cool.